Okay, it's been a while since I've done a shuttle update, so here's an update. Honestly, I don't even remember what the updates were the last video. It doesn't look like a ton of things have gotten done, but every weekend we are making a little bit of progress bit by bit. So my dad and I got the roof racks up. Those will be for the solar panels eventually. I don't have solar panels in my current solar setup, which sounds contradicting. It's running off a dual alternator for now, but down the road, the plan is to get solar panels. So we got those roof racks up so we can close up the ceiling and not worry about like securing those down. So that's one thing we got done. We've also been doing a lot of fiberglassing to secure the structure more. There's not like a lot of studs already in the shuttle bus to work with. So we've been adding in studs and fiberglassing them in because the shell of the bus is fiberglass. Some buses have like metal framing, mine is fiberglass, so we had to get a little creative and have been doing a lot of fiberglass. And honestly, I think fiberglassing is my least favorite task because it's so messy. We also made some progress above the driver's seat. You can see behind me, there was some wood already put in place and we were going to work with what we had to put shelving or to put cabinets in. Chandler is doing all of the woodworking and he recommended tearing that out and starting from new and trying to level things out. The bus is round and not very level, so my dad and I took out the wood that was in there and then we fiberglassed in new wood so it's level. So we had to level out and we were just like tweaking things until we got it right. Put new wood in, leveled it out. So the cabinets up there that you can see, that's what Chandler made. So that fits in a lot better than before when there was the existing wood and nothing was level. So we're getting ready for cabinets there. And then on the other side, there's a room for a cubby and it's nice and flat too. So we cleared that out. That is getting ready to be finished. Another thing we've been working on is the bathroom behind me over here. So you can kind of see the corner here. This shower I took from a camper early on. If you've been following the journey, you know that I was trying to like take things from this camper I bought to repurpose. The shower, you can see the shower base back there and then like the walls and stuff. My dad and I the last few weekends have been creating the back area for the shower. So we can't just put the shower in, it has to have a nice backdrop. It has to be nice and sturdy pretty much. So we blocked out that window, insulated it, built this wall. Nothing is even in this bus. So everything is like, 25 inches here, 23 inches here. So it's a lot of measuring and cutting and sometimes remeasuring and recutting. But we actually today just put in those two walls, finished it. So we've been like starting the plumbing as well. So the bathroom hopefully will be done soon. So it's gonna be a shower that has doors open and then there's gonna be like a cassette toilet in there. So it's the toilet and the shower all in one. I think another thing since the last update video, I did a little reels about it, but the front door used to open like bus doors. And now it opens like a house door. I'm hoping this charades, you get what I'm saying. But so the front door, I'm pretty excited about the front door. That was actually one of the most successful projects we've done in the bus because we planned it out. We did not have to pivot much. It was just like, here's the idea. My dad found it online and executed it. I helped obviously, but that went pretty smoothly. Chandler created the wood piece to fit in the middle. And now you can use a door handle to open the door instead of like the lever and then the doors open like this, like a bus does. So that's an update. Yeah, we've been kind of waiting. Electrical is really close up on the list, so then we can run the wires and then close up the walls and ceilings. I feel like it's gonna look so much more complete then. And then a lot of woodworking from Chandler to do all the cabinets, the countertops, and everything like that. So slowly but surely, it's coming along. Oh, and also my dad and I had our first accident. So I was using the driver to put a screw into like the framing of that wood. Before we put it up, we were just like in the shuttle right here, putting the structure together. So I had the driver and I was putting the screw in, missed the screw, went right into my dad's hand, and the bit the little bit, like I pulled it away real quick. I was like, oh my gosh. And the bit was stuck in my dad's hand. So yeah, we acted quickly and we cleaned it with alcohol, got it wrapped up. It's doing fine now. He got a tetanus shot just in case, but yeah, that was dramatic.